As a technical trainer at Landtech, I've seen a lot of new technicians attending our regular classes who lack the experience and basic skills they need to succeed. In response to those needs, we have created the Basic Electrical and Troubleshooting Training Class, or BET for short. If you're just starting out in the technical service industry, or if you just wish to brush up on your electrical or troubleshooting skills, this class is for you. From the basics of electricity to mastering voltmeters and building real circuits, you'll get valuable hands-on experience from day one. You'll be able to see and feel real parts we use in our equipment and learn how to test them, and learn the methodology and mindset behind troubleshooting by learning where to begin and how to tackle issues. We'll even walk you through real-world examples so you can hit the ground running in the field. To enroll, visit landtech.com's training page, or if you have any questions about the BET class, email us at training@landtech.com.